Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again, I am Babesy Canson and for today's video, I'm going to give you my example about integrating exponential and logarithmic functions. So now let's proceed to the first example, which is integrating exponential function by substitution. So let's integrate this. E to the x plus e to the negative x over e to the x minus e to the negative x dx. So what should we make u be equal to? The bottom one or the top one? So in this problem, we want to make u be equal to the bottom one. So we can get rid of the top one. So u is equal to e to the x minus e to the negative x. So now let's find du. So the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. And the derivative of negative x to the negative e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x times negative 1. And all of this is multiplied by dx. So negative e times negative 1 is basically positive e to the negative x. So, for solving for dx, it's du over e to the x plus e to the negative x. And this is good because we can see that this is same as the numerator, which means that's going to cancel soon. So, let's rewrite. What we have here is let's replace the denominator with u variable because they're equal to each other. And let's replace dx with du over e to the x plus e to the negative x. So these two will cancel. And now what we have is the antiderivatives of 1 over u, which going to be ln u plus c, the constant, and now we can replace u with this. So the answer is the natural log of e to the x minus e to the negative x plus c. And let's put this in absolute value, and so this is the solution. Now let's proceed to my next task, which is I'm going to give an example in finding the indefinite integral of logarithmic function. So like this one. What is the integral of log base 4 of x? So it turns out that there is a formula we could use to integrate a logarithmic function. So here's the formula. The integral of log base a of u du is equal to u times log base a u divided by e, where e is constant, and divided by u prime. So that is if u is only a linear function. So in this example, we can see that u is equal to x. A is equal to 4 and u prime, the derivative of x, is 1. So the answer is going to be u x log base a, which is 4, of u over e, so that it's going to be x over e, divided by our u prime, which is 1, and we know that we don't need to write that one, so then we just simply plus the constant of integration. So this is the integral of log base of x. So that's the simplest way to get the answer using the formula.